Hi guys, I showed you I made this catapult launch glider the other day and it was ridiculously heavy. I've made it much too thick. Now let's just zero that. Right, 0. 33 grams. So had a little think about it and redesigned it. $15 grams, so less than half the weight. No idea whether it will work, but at least I've made it lighter. And basically I've just made it much thinner. That's 1 millimeter thin, or thick. So the idea is that should fit in there. That I've actually left a long slot on there like I did with the original, but I've made a much smaller fin, which I'll have to glue on there, because for some reason I didn't make that slot as deep. Oh, I did. That's just where the filament had dripped in. Dripped? I don't know if that's a word. Or the correct word. Oh, that's terrible. Gonna have to trim that out a bit. I'm gonna need to glue it, aren't I? Anyway, that goes in there somehow, about there somewhere. I didn't print another one of them just to save a little bit of PLA, but that's just the extra weight at the front. I don't know whether I need it or not. I don't know where the centre of gravity needs to be. So it's extremely windy out there today, and it's been raining. I might just give it a little try across the garden, but really need to try this out in the open air somewhere. So I'll put a bit of super glue on that to put it in the right place. Then I might give it a little go. I don't think I will try it out here. It's a little bit too windy. So it only needs to catch a little gust and it'll flick up over the fence and go next door or something. So we'll have to wait till we can go out somewhere. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.